Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. This one I can put into 6x and x. Next, this one we can do about factorization by 2x. This one by number 1. Next, we have the formula in here. A square minus b square equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So, number 9, that is about 3 square. And this one, we need to transform this one into this one. So we have s minus number 3, s plus number 3. This one we can do by factorization by s plus number 3. Now, we need to simplify on numerator and denominator. Now, we can put negative number 3 going here and here. So we have the final answer. So we have the square root of 30 over number 6. This is the end. Thank you for watching.